Hello, my name is Maria. Welcome to the course of Russian Together to Success. Today we will learn about the nominative case. The Russian nominative case is used for the subject of a sentence. For example, in the sentence I love her, the word I is the subject. There are some examples for masculine nouns. Он, студент, день, музыкант, таксист, учитель. And feminine nouns. Она, студентка, семья, ночь, гитара, машина. And for the neuter nouns. Метро, море, имя, время. The only time you need to change the ending is to form the plural. In Russian, in the nominative case, you make a plural by using the letters I, Y, Ya, or A. For masculine nouns, we replace A with Y, Y with I, and soft sign with I. For feminine nouns, we replace Ya with I, soft sign with I, and A with I, unless previous consonant is G, K, H, Ж, Ч, Ш, Щ, then replace with I as per the spelling rules. And for neuter nouns, we replace O with A and Ye with Ya. For example, папа, папы, дедушка, дедушки. For feminine nouns, мама, мамы, сестра, сестры. And for the neuter nouns, письмо, письма, море, моря. Now you can stop the video and try again one more time. And if you want to join our preparatory course of Russian to get the certificate and further become student in Russia, then click links below and we will contact you. Thanks for watching.